Print from a Chromebook on an HP printer. If you would like to set up an HP printer with your Chromebook using a wireless, USB, or Ethernet connection, there are a few methods you can use depending on your printer model. Set up the printer with the HP Smart app. This step applies to HP Plus printers only. HP Plus printers have an E after the model number. For all other printers, continue to the next section. To print from your Chromebook with an HP Plus printer, you must set up the printer with the HP Smart app on a different computer or mobile device first. This is necessary to activate the HP Plus features and connect the printer to the internet. Note, you must register your HP Plus printer with HP to have access to all printing features. You can do this during the HP Smart setup process. First, install the HP Smart app for free from either 123.hp.com or from your App Store. Once the app is installed, open the app and follow the prompts to either sign into or create an account. Continue to follow the prompts to set up the printer to activate all HP Plus features based on your preferences. Add the printer to the Chromebook. This step applies to all other HP printers. To connect your printer to your Chromebook with either a Wi-Fi or USB connection, no drivers or apps are required. First, update the Chromebook to the most current version of Chrome OS. If you are connecting using a USB cable connection, plug the cable into the USB port on the rear of the printer and connect the other end to an available port on the Chromebook. If you are connecting using an Ethernet or local area network (LAN) connection, plug the Ethernet cable to the printer Ethernet port and connect the other end to an available port on the router or access point. At the printer port, the green light should be steady and the orange activity light should blink. If you are connecting using a Wi-Fi connection, you must first connect your printer to the network. The method to connect your printer to the wireless network depends on your printer model. For most printers with a touchscreen control panel, open the Setup, Network, or Wireless Settings menu. Select Wireless Setup Wizard, and then follow the instructions to select the network name and enter the password. For most printers without a touchscreen control panel, press and hold the wireless button for 5 seconds or until the wireless light starts to flash. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the Wi-Fi Protected Setup or WPS button on the router until the connection process begins. The printer wireless light stops flashing when the connection completes. For HP DeskJet 6000 and 6400 and V6000 and 6400 and Tango printers, press and hold the Wi-Fi button and the power button on the back of the printer for 5 seconds until the blue bar flashes. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the router until the connection process begins. The blue bar stops flashing when the connection completes. On your Chromebook, click the clock in the bottom right corner and then click the settings icon. Then click Device. Under Printers and Scanners, click Print. If your printer displays, click Save. If your printer does not display, click Add manually and then follow the instructions to add the printer. Print from your Chromebook. Once your printer is connected, you can print photos, documents, web pages, and emails through the Chrome browser and through supported apps. To do this, open the item you want to print. Click the printer icon. Next to Destination, click the drop-down menu and then select your printer. Click More Settings. Change any desired print settings and then click Print.